All right, well, um, good morning, Michael.
I need to be on.
Yeah,
Go ahead.
we're gonna
Do your thing.
make a plant of tomato. He's gonna help me just a minute, but we're gonna take this tomato that I've been letting rot under glass, and this is actually marigold sprouts. This whole thing's full of marigolds and thyme plant, who's might have just finally given up the ghost. It's sad because it made it all this way from Arizona and it was flourishing. I thought it'd be okay to put it outside. Anyway, so right here, lovely store-bought vine ripened tomato, nice and rotten, and we're gonna do something special with it today. Come watch. All right, the second part of the tomato. This bit is where we're going to do our tomatoes. We got some lovely pallets that we laid out. So we've got our bins sorted more. And we're moving closer to our patio area. So we can step out here and do these tomatoes. And Michael's gathering water. We gotta get another size hose. But tell them these will do. Alrighty, this will only take a second if you can assist me. I just want to put this in the ground. I can never do it right and hold the camera. So come on over here, involuntary cameraman. Just hold on what I'm doing. It should be great. So, this is my tomato bin and my rotten tomato. And don't mean to gross people out, but tomato is overglorified. Here's another rotten one I planted. That's a Roma tomato. And we'll just cover him right up. See, that guy's there. I'm gonna stick there. Let's put you, well, I'm gonna say right over here. So, these other tomatoes were raised and I purchased them at a local mom and pop garden center. So now what I've just done is I made a little shape here. Tomatoes like a placenta. And the seeds will sprout inside the tomato and feed on this. So your tomato gives you better sprouts when the seeds are planted wet and can feed off of the tomato meat. And they grow in a clump, and as they grow up, they stay in the group. And some create windbreak on the outside and frost break. And the ones in the center grow, and they're great. So that's what I do. So I got a rotten tomato over here, and this one's a Roma, and this is vine ripe beefsteak. So thanks a lot.